My dear viewers, now discuss states of matter ICSE class 5 part 2. To take the part 1, please show the discussion box. পার্ট ওয়ানে অনলি ফর ডিসকাস করা হয়েছে, মানে কেবলমাত্র ডিসকাস করা হয়েছে। পার্ট টুতে এক্সারসাইজ সলভ করা হয়েছে। ওকে, নাও হোয়াট ইজ ম্যাটার? Anything that occupies space and has weight is called matter. Matter are three types, that is solid, liquid and gas. Okay, next question. What is a molecule? Give an example. When two or more atoms combine, they form a molecule. Molecules are made of atoms of either same kind or different kinds. Okay, hydrogen is the same types. Okay, but the water the different types of atom. Okay, show the picture. আশা করি মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট বুঝতে পারছো, হাইড্রোজেন সেম টাইপ oxygen and hydrogen combined from water, it is a different kind of atom. Okay, what is an atom? Okay, give example. The smallest particle that makes of a substance or matter is called an atom. Example, hydrogen atom. What is the difference between miscible and immiscible liquid? Miscible liquid. Liquids that completely dissolve in water are called miscible liquid. For example, alcohol is miscible in water. Miscible liquid, for example, carbohydrate and orange juice form miscible liquid. Next, immiscible liquid. Liquids that do not dissolve in water are called immiscible liquid. For example, kerosene and petrol are liquids do not mix with water. That is, so the picture immiscible liquid. Okay. Next question. Name the solid that are soluble in water. For example, that is answer sugar, salt, coffee, alcohol, okay, etc. Okay. Now, next question type, fill in the blanks. Okay. Anything that occupies dash and has dash is called matter. That is answer, space and weight. Next question. Everything around us is the answer matter. Okay. Next, a dash is the smallest particle that possesses all the particles of that substance. Answer, molecule. Okay. Next question, question number 4. Dash are also called the building blocks of matter. That is answer, atoms. Next question. Question number 5. Molecules are always in dash, that is motion. Next question type, write true or false. In solid, the particles are tightly packed, that is true. Next, the force of attraction between the molecules is less as compared to solid. The statement false. Next, alcohol is also miscible in water. The statement true. Next, such liquid that do not dissolve in water are called immiscible liquid. The statement true. Next question, kerosene and petrol are liquids that mixed with water. That is false. Okay, that is the immiscible liquid. Okay. Next question type, give the examples the following, that is physical change, boiling water, coughing, wood, etc. Chemical change, example burning of paper, cooking of food. Okay, next question, that is the example of miscible liquid, milk and water, alcohol and water. Immiscible liquid example, kerosene and water, oil and water. Solid soluble in water, example sugar, salt. Next item, matching the following. Miscible liquid matching for E, that is milk and water. Question 2, immiscible liquid matching C, that is kerosene and water. Question 3, chemical change matching D, burning of paper. Question number 5, building blocks, that is A, atoms. Okay, my dear viewers, any query, any question, please comment in box. আশা করছি মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, ভিউয়ার্স, কোনো কোয়ারি থাকলে আমাকে কমেন্ট বক্সে কমেন্ট করুন, I will try to solve. Okay, thank you.